In today's video, we'll be covering part 4, the cleanliness needed for praying. Hair and teeth in check daily. And also our fingernails every 2 weeks or every week, depending. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Continuing with the Getting Ready for Prayer series. In today's video, we'll be covering part 4, the cleanliness needed for praying. If you haven't watched step 1 to 3, where I go over the wudu, the timing of the prayer, and the dress code needed for prayer, please do check them out. They're very good videos. Cleanliness in the Quran is called tahara. In Arabic, you call cleanliness tahara. What it means to be clean, to purify, to disinfect. Cleanliness was so important that the Prophet ﷺ said, "At-tahuru shatrul iman." Cleanliness is half of your faith. Now, by cleanliness, what does the Prophet ﷺ mean? Now, what this means is to keep your soul, your body, your clothes, and the place you worship clean. This is what the ulama take from this. So your soul, your body, clothes, and the place of worship should be clean. We can't neglect any of them. They're very important for prayer. The soul is inner cleanliness from within. So our thinking, our feeling, our attitude to others, and so on. And then the other three, the body, the clothes, and place of worship, they're outer. Inshallah, I'll be going over the latter in this video. So I'll be going over body, clothes, and place of worship in today's video. Now, number 1, the body. Keeping this clean from major and minor janaba. Janaba means impurities. Keeping your body clean from minor and major impurities. This is easily kept clean through major and minor rituals. So ghusl is the major ritual and wudu is the minor. We've already got a video on wudu where I go in depth. Also, we need to remember to keep our hair and teeth in check daily. And also our fingernails every 2 weeks or every week, depending on how fast your fingernails grow. Number 2, clothes. This should be free from najasa. Najasa is impurity, in dirt. So, dirt like wee, poop, vomit, and so on. If you do have them on the body, the way to get rid of them, the best way is to perform ghusl. Now, number 3, place. Dirt accumulates. Dirt, meaning dirt can only gather more dirt. Dirt cannot make you clean. So if our surrounding environment is dirty, then it's inevitable you'll end up dirty as well when you're praying. So making sure the place you pray is clean is vital. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He also says He loves those who are clean. So be careful of where you pray as well. So you can't just go and pray in the bathroom or in the middle of the road or anywhere that would cause an issue for others. How can you please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you're upsetting His other creation? How can you please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you're in a dirty place of worship? How can you please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when your clothes are dirty? So the place you worship, your clothes, and making sure you're not inconveniencing other people. These 3 factors need to be considered as well. We already don't know if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is accepting our prayer, but the least we can do is prepare properly, and we can do our best from our side. That completes part 4, where I went over the cleanliness needed before prayer. If you're still struggling with any issues within this video or any other video, then drop a comment below. Inshallah, me and the team will get back to you. Jazakallah khair. Please subscribe and like our videos. Also share this with your family and friends, as this is a form of sadaqah for me and a form of sadaqah for you. Jazakallah khair.